What's up, my fam band? We're here at a local gas station in downtown Stockton, and we're gonna review something different. We are gonna review the worst Yelp reviewed food in downtown Stockton, guys. Wow. And unfortunately, it's a chicken joint. It's called Krispy Chicken, guys. We'll take a look and see what it's all about. Krispy Chicken at a gas station. I know some of y'all, my folks, have eaten gas station food before, so we'll see what's all about, guys. There was 1 stars and 2 stars, y'all. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. See you guys in a minute. So this is what it is, Krispy Chicken. Looks really good, guys. Let's go ahead and try it out. They got thighs, legs, meals, fried. They got meal deals going on. Let's see what we finna order, y'all. This looks really good. All right, y'all, we back. Just came from the national gas station right on the corner of between what is this? Oak? Shoot, I get confused. Is it Oak? I think it's Oak. Between Center and El Dorado Street, right across the street from the public library, guys. Grew up in this area, and I've had several kind of gas stations here in town, but I never tried food from here. So let's see what it's all about. It is Krispy Chicken, Krispy Crunchy Chicken. Y'all see that? Krispy Crunchy Chicken. It's nice and warm today. So I decided to do gas station food. Excuse the music, y'all. I'm about to get copyrighted. Tamia, stop singing, girl. Tamia, I love you, but you can't be getting me copyrighted. Anyway, so I wanted to try gas station food because I know some of y'all have done the 7-Eleven one and other places. So I wanted to see what gas station food's gonna be like. So I typed in on Google. I said, you know, gas station food, and the closest one next near my work. So this one popped up, and it said Krispy Chicken. I was like, ooh, Krispy Crunchy Chicken. Let me go on and try Krispy Crunchy Chicken, y'all, because you know I love me some fried chicken, some really good fried chicken. So I'm over here checking it out, and why they got 1 stars and 2 stars, y'all, I was like, are you serious? So part of me was like, okay, should I even do it? Should I even? I said, let's just go for it. Let's just go in and do it and see what it's all about. So it is Krispy Crunchy Chicken. Comes in a bag. I got a 3-piece mix. I love my stuff mix, guys. It cost $5.49. $5.49 there. Can you see? $5.49, and plus tax and plus my debit fee because I didn't have any cash. I had to use my debit card. So it came up to a total of $6.33. So let's see what it's about it. If it's about it at all. First of all, the customer service, the girl behind the counter. Ooh. The girl behind the counter was as dry as this biscuit, y'all. It is dry. Ooh, it's chalky. I'm disappointed already. Ooh, let me give me some water. That is chalky. The only saving grace on there is that fake honey they got on there. That's a dang on shame. But let's go ahead and do a little. Let's do a little thing right here because I don't know how greasy this chicken's gonna be. And I gotta go back to work, y'all. So I'm just gonna have this posted up like a little bib and see if this will work out for me. Y'all probably look at me like I'm a fool, but guess what? I'm not trying to have my shirt all dirtied up with chicken grease. Okay, I don't think it's gonna work, y'all. Look at that. Okay, there it goes. So first of all, biscuit, 1 star. The only thing that's saving it is the honey. Out of 5, 1 star. It's dry as all hell, y'all. It's as dry as the desert. It's dry and dusty, like grandma's punani. Yes, it is. So sorry. I crack myself up sometimes, y'all. I'm just a fool. So here it is. Their drumstick. I got a 3-piece. So let's see if it's about it. I'm gonna take my first bite with y'all. Let me take my second bite to confirm what I felt about the first bite. Okay, now I ain't mad at the chicken, y'all. I am not mad at this chicken. It is juicy. I don't know if y'all can see this juice. Y'all see that juice? It is crispy. It is crunchy. Oh my God. It is seasoned perfectly. I don't know who gave them 1 star, y'all, because the chicken, that chicken is about it. The chicken is about it, y'all. I'm not playing. I'm really eating out of a paper bag. The chicken is good. Look at this big old piece of breast, y'all. That ain't no joke. That's a huge breast. It looks crispy. Now the test of this, guys, is breasts gotta be juicy. They dry out pretty fast. But just looking from the outside, looking from the outside, y'all. Thumbnail. Looking from the outside, y'all. It looked moist. It looked moist. I'm picking right into the middle. You know, my fat ass save the skin for last. Y'all, I ain't kidding. This chicken is legit. They must have got a really bad batch that day, because this chicken is seasoned all the way to the bone, y'all. I see the seasoning all up in there. I don't know if y'all see it. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there is seasoning inside. It is juicy. Look at it, see? I don't know if y'all can see that seasoning right there. There's seasoning up in this hole. I'm eating a napkin. Y'all. They put their foot in it. It's almost as good as Jollibee's. It's almost as good as Jollibee's, y'all. This, y'all don't always believe what Yelp reviewers be saying about it. Because this is about it. It's crispy, it's seasoned very well. Y'all, it's seasoned very well. I don't know where my hot sauce went. No, I'll open another one. I'm gonna douse this a little bit with some hot sauce. It's good on its own, y'all. It has this amazing Cajun spice on it. Not spicy, but the seasoning. Child. We're gonna see now. Put some of that hot sauce right there. That's hot sauce, y'all. That ain't blood. Let's see. Y'all, I don't know if I'm hungry or it's really that good. I'm about to give this place 4 stars. This breast is juicy. Y'all know breast can be real dry. But this breast is juicy. Look at that. Oh, let me taste some of the skin. Oh my God. I don't think I've ever pigged out like that on a mukbang. Carbang before. But y'all, I am not lying. Damn it. I done dropped the hot sauce on my feet. That's gonna smell like vinegar up in here. But I'm gonna give it 4 stars, y'all. I'm gonna give it 4 stars because the biscuit was dry. They don't have any sides available because I really want to try their mac and cheese, jambalaya. They didn't have any of that. It's legit. And I got 1 more piece left. A wang. But it's legit to me. Can y'all see me? Alright, there it goes. A little brighter. Yeah. Whoever gave it 1 star, they was lying. I'm gonna tell the Toof truth. The Toof truth. Y'all hear me? Oh my God. This chicken is about it. Whew. Just got this wing left. Look at that. Y'all, I just sucked that part of the flat down. Maybe it's good I didn't get the sides. Cause I'm full, but I ain't wasting this drumette. It's juicy. Whew. Jesus, that was good. Thank you, Lord, for some good chicken. So that was my review, guys, of Krispy Krunchy Chicken from a gas station. It was good, y'all. I'm giving 4 stars because they didn't have all the sides. They didn't have any sides. That biscuit was as dry as a desert, like your grandma punani. And the customer service was dry. She was dry, like she not hi, how are you? Welcome to national something, nothing. I had to look at her to get business. I had to be like, hi, how are you? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, Is that the kind of service we gonna give today? Yeah, she getting a 0. If I can give a 0 star, we gonna give her a total Satan star. How's that? But y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me on this long vlog, this long mukbang. I appreciate all of y'all. So it's not a challenge. I don't want to challenge anyone, but if anyone would want to test out local gas station food like this, certainly feel free. I think Krispy Krunchy Chicken is it is franchised in gas stations, so it could be in other places. I know there's other places around, at least in our county, that have them, but this was the closest one, and it was close to my work, so it's good to just, it was a hop, skip, and a jump to come over. Of course, do a carbang, guys. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that red button below, and hit that bell notification for other upcoming mukbangs, carbangs, food reviews. And don't forget our Let's Talk About It live on Thursdays and Sundays, usually 7 p.m. Pacific on a Thursday, probably 7 or 8 now on a Sunday because of the football season. But thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for continuing to support the Missing Tooth Mukbanger, my Tooth Squad. Pick you up. Bye, y'all.